everyone, welcome back to WebTech Tutorial. I'll be guiding you through how you can zoom in WhatsApp application in today's video. Watch the video till the end if you want to know how, and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. That way, you'll never miss another update from us. Tap open your Zoom application first. Sign into your account. Schedule a meeting by tapping on Schedule. Enter the name for your Zoom meeting. Select the date from the Date menu. Set the date by tapping on Set. From the To menu, set the time for your meeting to end and tap on Set. Now in the pop-up, it says that your Zoom basic plan has a 40-minute time limit on meetings with 3 or more participants. Tap on OK. You can set the time zone, selecting from the list. If you want to repeat the meeting again, select when you want to repeat the meeting. After you're done scheduling your meeting, tap on the Done button located at the top right corner of the screen. Now, under Add Invites Via, tap on anyone you like. I'm going to select Gmail for now. And then, now copy the link of the Zoom meeting ID, passcode, and the link. Simply copy that, and now open your WhatsApp and then select the person you are trying to send the invitation to. In the type a message box, simply paste the link that you copied and send it to the person. And that is how you can send Zoom meeting link in WhatsApp. I hope you liked the video. If it was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.